Hey traders, just thought I'd do one more video. This is going to be my last video on this strategy, the 3MAs, the 2-minute strategy, whatever, but this is on a 5-minute chart doing 5-minute expiries. Probably have to wait one more candle after this one. Moving the MACD is just about crossed. We want the blue line as the trigger line across the yellow line, with the red line as our confirmation in the direction that we want to trade. So we want to take a call. So we want a call or a buy, so we want the red line to be above. So I'll pause it. I'll come back when either that crosses or this crosses. It's the next candle, and I wanted to explain that some people would go in early. That's going in early because it still hasn't really crossed, and yeah, you'd be in the money right now with 2 minutes into it. The MACD hasn't quite crossed, and one of the reasons a lot of people lose with this is the timing. I mean, it's a very simple strategy, and I'm pretty sure everybody that's trying to do this understands the basics of the system. It's just people are not going in at the right time. They're either too early or they're too late. So the deal is, we don't go in until we actually see that blue line has crossed the yellow line. Not just touching it, I want to see the blue line on the other side of it. So if it happens halfway through a 5-minute candle, I don't go in. You wait till the beginning of the next candle. Or sometimes you'll find the MACD will cross earlier. You can take it, because usually the next candle will go up, but I just use that as a confirmation to know that basically that the trades is going to be coming. So we got 2 minutes to go to the start of the next candle. I'm pretty sure that we'll be taking a trade on it, but we'll just be waiting and see. So I'll come back just before 16:30 and we'll see what happens. Alright, we've got 5 seconds left. We wait for the full completion of this candle, which is now. And my internet's slow. Oh dear. Okay, see how it's crossed? We'll take one trade. I'm going to also take another trade if it drops down. If this candle turns red, I'm going to take one more trade as well, because the way that I've worked out my system with this is that 9 times out of 10 it wins when I go in, but sometimes the candle jumps up and down, and I'd like to try and get a better entry point, which would be if it drops down here. But if it doesn't, it doesn't. At this point right now, it's in the money. I'm going to pause it for the 5 minutes, because I'm not going to sit here. See how right now the blue has fully crossed, it's over. Once I see that, I'm pretty confident that if I see that 10 times, 9 times, see how it's come down, I'm going to just grab one more trade. I'll grab 2. There's another one. Usually they fluctuate a lot, but I find that 9 times out of 10 it'll win. I'm going to grab one more. So we've got one. I'll get another one. These are good entry points. That'll do. It's enough. Probably 1 or 2 too many. Alright, I'm going to pause it and come back when they're about done. Now, at least you know that I'm not editing the videos. This one's going to lose. Like I said, it does lose. We'll just see what's going to happen with probably all of them. See, we'll go again. I'm going to go again. 6 trades. It's still a cross, and I'm pretty sure that this time I should be right. Then I'll come back when they're done. Well, I got 25 seconds left. So far it's in the money. As you can see, it's jumped up and been in and out of the money a bit. I think they should be right this time. And we get a win. So you saw that I had a loss with this candle, but I got the money back with this one, and now it's dropping its ass out. So that's what all you got to do. It's not about. I mean, everybody I think understands pretty much the fundamental rules about it. It's just about timing on the entry, and that's all it is. I mean, normally that would have been too early, and that one should have been the winner, but it came a little bit later. The MACD is still underneath it. So that's it. That's all I've got. I mean, I'm not going to do any more videos on this. It's all about timing, guys, and money management. Take it easy.